Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. I appreciate everyone tuning into this video. Today guys, I got some exciting parts that I'm going to be installing. I'm sure you guys read it from the title. We got some new headlights we're going to be installing today for the G37. The headlights that it's currently on it are absolutely trash. They're garbage. I need to get rid of these ASAP, as you can see. And I've tried restoring these with like different type of products, and guys, these are just, they're gone. That's the best way to put it. I cannot get these to look brand new, and usually with my other cars I can use some product and I can make them look clear again, but these just gotta go. And plus there's a lot of aftermarket headlights for the G37 that make it look really nice, way better than the OEM ones in my opinion. Please excuse that the G is absolutely filthy. It just ran here out in AZ and I just really want to get these headlights installed. So let me show you guys what we got today. In this box right here we got my brand new headlights for the G. Yup, there they are. You can see my reflection right there. But nah guys, these are so sick. We got the completely smoked headlights with the GTR style, I guess you can call them, because it has like the same GTR LED strip in it. But guys, this looks so sick. I absolutely love these. And a lot of people that have these, they have like the clear right here. It's not tinted, so I think these are like a newer version that came out, because I haven't really seen too many that are like completely tinted like this. But anyways, let's go ahead and get these headlights installed. I need to get the front bumper off. And honestly guys, I've never installed headlights on any of my boats. I always had the OEM headlights. I maybe changed like the headlight bulbs to like HID LED bulbs, but I've never replaced the headlights. So this is gonna be a learning experience with me. I did watch a couple videos on YouTube. Obviously, how else am I gonna know how to install these headlights if I've never installed headlights? So I'm gonna be watching some of that while I'm going through this video and just try to show you guys how to get these headlights installed. Maybe if you guys want to purchase them for yourself, make your G look like 1,000 times better, and we'll just see for ourselves how much better these headlights make it look. But let's go ahead and get these headlights installed. Let's get it. I want to say something right now. There's barely anything holding up my front bumper, because looking further into this, because I haven't really done anything to the front bumper other than change the front grille to a new black grille. But guys, literally there was one push pin, and then there was two 10mm bolts, one right here, and then there's also supposed to be some, I don't even know where, because it's missing. Oh, right here. And then there's also, for the headlight, this isn't for the bumper, but there's also a bolt missing. Let me see if I can zoom in for you guys. Right there on this bracket right here. There's a bolt missing. And then on this side, I took a look. I also moved my tires so that I can get a better look. Right here on that bolt, there's a 10mm. The bracket's cracked, so it went over the bolt. So it's not even really getting held on right here, just barely. I do have zip ties because I was planning on getting a new front bumper, because this front bumper is trashed. I need to get a new one, but I used some zip ties because these were flaring up. But this side does have its 10mm bolt right there. And that's pretty much what is being held on by right now, guys, which is pretty crazy. Barely anything. So what I'm gonna do, order some more push pins, because it is not even being held on correctly. But yeah, I just wanted to state that, because some of you guys might be watching and be like, what the hell, he only took off like a couple bolts, because some of you guys might have some more bolts that you'll have to take off. But so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is remove that 10mm bolt, and then do that one where the bracket's broken off, and the front bumper should be able to come right off. So I just got the front bumper off. First time ever taking off the front bumper on the G37 so far. Not too sure if it'll be the last, but now we can get to the bolts, to the headlights. And guys, like I said, this is not even bolted in correctly from the previous owner. You can literally wiggle it out. So I don't think this is gonna be a hard install. I do have to transfer the ballast cables over to the new headlights, and the high beam bulb, but that's about it. Yeah, let's go ahead, get these headlights uninstalled. All right, so looking at the headlight, there should be 2 bolts right here, but guess what? Can you guys guess it? I only got 1. So I don't know, let's take a look on this side. Do I only have 1 on this side? No, I have 2. But look at the washer that they use. So these headlights were definitely taken off and modified before this, because they've definitely been taken off. Look how big the washer is compared to that one. But that's what that side should look like. But those are the 2 first bolts I'm gonna be taking off, and I'll show you guys the rest in just a sec. I really want to make sure I'm showing you guys all the 10mm bolts, because some of these can be like tricky and hidden to get to. And this is exactly one that I'm talking about right now. Right here, it's a 10mm, but you can't use like a power tool or anything to get in, so you do have to get a little sock wrench it and get it out like this. This headlight should be good to come out now. Yeah, that's Gucci. Let's get this headlight out. I smashed my finger. I think it's all good now. Let's see. Alright, so currently mid-install, I'm with my good neighbor Seth over here. He's actually helping me, but now we can go ahead and test these and get them installed. Let's get to it. So as you guys can tell, these both have these white little brackets right here where the ballast is. I needed to go ahead and get the new one off, peel back this right here, and I can reinstall the old ballast onto the new headlights. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that right now.
Cruising with the windows down.
So what we just went ahead and did is transfer the, would this be the high beam or the low beam?
Yes, this would be your high beam.
The high beam bulb, yeah, from the old headlight to the new headlight, and then we transferred the ballast like you guys just saw in the clips before. And the old one I think is pretty much done. We transferred everything over, and now we can just plug it in once we get that bulb back in. Are they on?
Yeah.
And the button I was telling you about? This one. Turn the knob. Put on that notch thing again that slides in.
Our window's getting fucking huge.
Alright, so quick update. I had to drive to O'Reilly's because we figured out it was one of the bulbs were burnt out. So only this bulb and then like the LED strip was turning on, and these two weren't. And we discovered that once we plugged in the passenger side headlight and they actually turn on. And we took out the bulb, we saw that's burnt. So now this is me giving it a try to see if we can get them to all turn on. Let's check it out.
It's off. There, they're on. Nope. Nothing out of that bulb.
Nothing out of that bulb?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that did not work, unfortunately. On this headlight, if we plug in the ballast, everything turns on perfectly. And on this side, these won't turn on. And we've tried so many things trying to get these turn on, but nothing's working. So what we went ahead and did is unplugged the ballast for right now, since it won't match this side. And I really just want to get these headlights installed. I can't have this G down and not be able to drive it. So I unplugged it for the meantime being. I'm gonna look on the forums, hopefully find something. I wanna be transparent with you guys though, because sometimes with doing installs, not everything goes perfectly. I don't wanna like sugarcoat this and just act like everything went perfectly. So we're gonna go ahead and get the front bumper on real quick. Should take only a few minutes, and then I'll show you guys the after of how these headlights look, because I'm still really hyped. They absolutely look amazing, and they actually fit really well too. I appreciate you, man, really do. And we out here, guys. Let's get that bumper back on and check out the headlights. Let's get it. Here she is, guys. Finally got the headlights installed, and shout out to my neighbor Seth for helping me out, guys, because honestly your boy was struggling with those damn lights today. Couldn't figure out what the hell was going on with them. Just want to be real with y'all and not sugarcoat anything, like I said before. So this install definitely took like damn near all day, because I was running back and forth to O'Reilly's, getting the bulb, getting some other parts and stuff. But guys, it's finally installed, and oh my God, it looks good. I definitely got to include at the end of this video what it looks like all cleaned up, because it is kind of throwing it off with how dirty the hood is. You know what? Let me wipe it down, because it does no justice right now. Let me go wipe it down, and I'll show you guys in just a sec. And there she is. I just used some quick detailer, so it's not perfect. It does have some streaks, but guys, these headlights look so sick. So much better than the old ones. Take a look at the old ones. Let's put them side by side right in front. Just look at the difference it makes with the new headlights compared to the old ones. Super foggy, stained, absolutely disgusting, and boom, so fresh, so clean. And I will include at the end of this video of it all washed, so you guys can see a nice B-roll montage. But let's go ahead and turn them on, and I'll talk about a little bit about the headlight issue that we're having, and maybe, I don't know, maybe you guys in the comments can help me out, because it's only this headlight, not this one, on this, and we literally plugged this one in this, so not too sure. But let me show you guys what it looks like with the headlights on. Let's get it.